Hi, and welcome to my presentation for the Prop Tech Ghana conference. Our presentation will be on modern property viewing and showcasing for potential non-local clients, utilizing Microsoft Teams for real estate in Ghana. This presentation will explore how Microsoft Teams can transform the real estate industry in Ghana. We'll discuss its features, benefits, and practical application, particularly focused on virtual walkthroughs, efficient communication, and streamlined collaboration. My name is Nikkia Carter. I'm co-CEO of NTC Tech. We're located out of Murraysville, Washington in the States, very close to Microsoft's headquarters. On this slide, you can see my street cred, but I've been in the industry for over 20 years. I've written books, I'm part of a bunch of different chapters, and I have or part of different memberships, and I have some exciting news to share with you all at the end of this presentation. So here's our agenda. In this presentation, we will start with an introduction to Microsoft Teams, including its key features and benefits for the real estate sector. Then we will explore how to conduct virtual walkthroughs, improve communication with your clients and with your teams, and enhance collaboration through chat channels. Finally, we will review some case studies highlighting successful implementations. Now note, I'm talking about Microsoft Teams, but other platforms can also do what I'm talking about. Except for Microsoft Teams, the Microsoft platform, including Teams, is the most robust platform to allow for all of the things that I'm talking about in this presentation on one platform. So Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform that integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office 365. It provides tools for communication, project management, and team collaboration, making it ideal for various industries, including real estate. Teams combines chat, video conferencing, file storage, and application integration into a single platform, allowing real estate professionals to manage their projects and communications effectively. Key features of Microsoft Teams includes video meetings, screen sharing, file sharing, integrations with other Microsoft apps, and customizable workflows. These features facilitate better interaction and collaboration amongst the agents as well as the clients. For the real estate industry, Microsoft Teams enhances communication, simplifies virtual tours, and improves client engagement. It helps teams to stay organized and connected, especially in remote settings. Virtual walkthroughs have become essential in the real estate industry, especially since a lot of clients are not always in the place where they want to be, where they want to buy the property. Allowing clients to explore property remotely is such a key benefit, and Microsoft Teams provides a platform to enhance these experiences effectively. Setting up virtual walkthroughs on Microsoft Teams is easy. Agents can schedule meetings and share their screens to guide clients through properties, showcasing key features and addressing their questions in real time. Integrating 3D tours with your video calls on Teams enhances the client experience. Agents can share immersive 3D models while engaging in discussions, providing teams with thorough walkthroughs, providing clients with thorough walkthroughs understanding of the property. On the next slide, we will watch a 2.5-minute video on creating a virtual tour in Microsoft Teams. Okay, video's being a little slow. Here we go. As you saw, that wasn't showing real estate as far as a house, but real estate as far as a factory, other types of real estate, office space. So all types of real estate can be shown during these virtual tours. Using Microsoft Teams for virtual walkthroughs enhances clients' engagement by allowing for immediate feedback and personalized interactions. This creates a more dynamic and interactive property viewing experience. Effective communication is crucial in real estate, and Microsoft Teams offers a variety of tools that facilitate instant messaging as well as virtual meetings, enabling agents to connect with their clients as well as the other team members. Teams' instant messaging capabilities allow for quick communication between agents and clients. This enables prompt responses to inquiries, enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing delays. With Teams, scheduling and conducting virtual meetings is seamless. Agents can easily set up meetings, send invites, and conduct discussions, making real estate interactions smoother. Teams enables effective document sharing and collaboration. Agents can share listings, can share contracts and marketing material in real time, ensuring that all team members have access to the latest information, as well as clients having access to that information as well. You can also build client portals that will allow for clients to have that information that's specific to them. Okay, so examining real world applications on Microsoft Teams in the Ghana real estate sector provides invaluable insights into its effectiveness and the improvements it can foster. Several agencies in Ghana have successfully implemented Microsoft Teams as well as Microsoft Office 365 and are using it for their virtual tours and communication. There are many examples to demonstrate how teams can enhance client engagement and streamline processes. Feedback from clients and agents who have used Teams highlights its effectiveness in improving communication and overall experience of property transactions. Agencies utilizing Teams have reported measurable improvements in efficiency and sales figures, showcasing the platform's impact on the real estate market in Ghana. So in conclusion, Microsoft Teams is an invaluable tool for real estate agents in the industry and in Ghana. It enhances virtual walkthroughs, improves communication, and streamlines collaboration, ultimately leading to increased efficiency and customer satisfaction in property transactions. Got questions? Feel free to reach out to me using the contact details that I have on this slide. So thanks so much for joining me for my presentation again today. As I said, my presentation was based on Microsoft since we are a Microsoft partner, but you can do this by piecing together a few different tools that will do the same things. But Microsoft's platform, Microsoft Office 365, is the most comprehensive to allow all of these features all available on one platform for one low subscription price per month. My apologies that I'm unable to be with you all and to deliver this presentation in person. But as I am talking to you through this recording right now, I am on my way to Ghana as you're watching this, and we'll be able to meet with any of you in person if you're interested in learning more. Also, that bit of exciting news that I was talking about in the beginning, my co-CEO, CTO, and the rest of our leadership team from NTC Tech, we have created a new tech company in Ghana called Sister Technology. For our new company, we have the same mission to employ as many Ghanaians in tech as we can and offer the same great services, all powered by Ghanaians and other Africans. If you have any questions about our new company, as well as the presentation that I had today, Please make sure that you visit our websites and feel free to reach out. Thanks again, and may you all be well, blessed, and protected. Bye.